Welcome to our video on how to start a group call on Messenger. If you're looking to connect with multiple friends or family members at once, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive into the simple steps to get started. First, open Messenger on your Android device. Once you're in the app, find the group chat that you want to start the call with. This could be a family group, a group of friends, or any other group that you're a part of. Next, tap on the group to open it. Once you're in the group chat, look for the phone icon at the top of the screen. It's usually located next to the video icon, so make sure you're tapping on the right one. Finally, tap on the phone icon to start the group call. Messenger will automatically start dialing all the members of the group, and you'll be connected in no time. You can now enjoy a group call with all your friends or family members without any hassle. And there you have it. Starting a group call on Messenger is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So next time you want to catch up with multiple people at once, remember these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and have fun connecting with your loved ones.